Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2014 MV Augusta Rivale 800 EAS edition. This motorcycle has just under 8,300 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been kept in beautiful condition. Couple of tiny little scuffs on it, but other than that, immaculate. So front tire, great shape. Appears to be some decent miles still left on that. It's got some nice carbon fiber highlights. The hand guards with the signals in them. More carbon fiber highlights. Rear fender is carbon fiber as well. It's got an upgraded seat. It also comes with the OEM seat as well. Same with the rear tire. As you can see, that's in great shape. That looks like there's plenty of life left in that. And a fender eliminator is what's also been installed on it. Again, there's the upgraded seat. We've got some more carbon fiber around the ignition. And again, under the seat. So like here, I found a tiny little scuff on the edge of the mirror. I mean, that's really all I've found on it. A couple like that. So, and if anything, that could be a rock chip just from being ridden. One thing we have noticed, and I don't know if you can see it with just the key on. Oh yeah. So we've got in the bottom of the signal here just a couple of the LEDs that are burnt out, but does not affect the way the signal works. All right. 8231 is what's on it. Just the camera down here. This 2014 MV Augusta Rivale 800 EAS edition is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.